Meet the Walkie Doggie, 3-in-1 collar, leash, and slip leash that every dog owner must have. The Walkie Doggie is a collar. To use it as a leash, pull on the tip by gripping the thumb handle and drawing it out. To switch from leash to slip leash mode, simply peel the safety leash lock and attach it to the hook strap on the collar in the direction of the arrow. One collar, 3 modes. Let's see how it works. Here we have the Walkie Doggie package with the instruction guide. It's really simple to use. And here is the Walkie Doggie 3-in-1 collar and leash. The package also expands into a drinking or feeding bowl for your pup. Let's assemble the Walkie Doggie. First, flatten the strap, arrow facing down. Grab the tip of the strap and thread it through the stainless steel D-ring. Pass the slip leash stopper through the D-ring. Flip the strap, arrow facing up. Grab the safety leash lock and snap it to the loop strap next to the arrow. With the collar loose, fit it over your dog's neck. Then adjust the size by using the slip leash stopper. Next, wrap the leash in the direction of the loop strap, around the collar. Place your palm between the collar and the dog's neck, and wrap it all the way until it snaps. When you need to tie your dog, simply attach your carabiner to the Walkie Doggie thumb handle. After long and careful research and testing, our team chose the best material in order to ensure a strong, durable product for any outdoor activity, while also remaining comfortable on your dog. Our strap is made of 100% fine polyester, combining strength and endurance with a soft touch for your dog. We are using a heavy-duty polyester bonded sewing thread for extra durability. Our D-ring made of stainless steel, which allows for lake and sea activity without rusting. We chose the most strongest hook and loop straps available on the market. Each strap has superior holding powers thanks to its molded double plastic hooks. This allows you to both control and protect your dog on your joint journeys, wherever you go, together. The Walkie Doggie 3-in-1. It's a collar. It's a leash. It's a slip leash. It's a must. With the Walkie Doggie, your dog is always ready for a walk.